Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2009 Yamaha VStar 950. Do a little walk around on the bike, show you a little bit about it. She's in great shape for 2009, practically no miles. Has the stock Yamaha bags, we'll go into that in a second. Rear tire, tons and tons of life left on her. And those are the stock bags. Does come with a little bit of extra things, tool kit in there, as well as the original foot pads. Both seats are in really good condition, no rips or tears. Again, with the low mileage that this bike has, you wouldn't expect anything else. Tons of chrome, does have the stock exhaust. Does have the aftermarket running board, floorboard, footboard, whatever you want to call them, boards. Tank is in fantastic condition. Walking around to the front, does have the stock aftermarket windscreen, nice and big. That front tire is in great shape as well, tons of life left in her. No big dings or dents in the front fender, as you can see. It's kind of always where the first part happens. This bike is extremely clean. Going to the second one here. Enough space to carry whatever you need. Other side of the seats, good condition as well. Other side of that tank. If you have any dings or dents, hit the key up there. You'll see the odometer's at a whopping 1,816 miles. Yeah, only 1,800 miles. This thing's brand new. Start it up for you. Only 1,800 miles, this bike runs like a champ. This, along with all the other bikes that we sell here, will go through a 24-point inspection, as well as most of our bikes come with a limited 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty. Thank you for visiting us here at simplystreetbikes.com.